Today on Top Corner Breaks, we're going hunting for some young guns. Upper Deck Series 2, 2016-17. Let's get bustin'.
Welcome back, everyone. We've got a somewhat exciting break today. An Upper Deck 2016-17 Series 2. It's a retail box, but this is the crop of rookies
That's right. It's like if you're a Leafs fan, this is the year to pull a Leafs. You know, you've got your Marner, your Kapanen, your Nylander. No, he might be a Series 1, but...
No, Series 2.
Oh, is he Series 2? Like Young Guns, Canvas maybe Series 2.
Canvas is Series 2.
Yeah.
Still a nice card.
Yeah. But,
and Thomas Chabot, everyone's favorite.
Yeah. And can't forget Patrick Laine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Winnipeg fans.
Yeah, so... Anyways, we figured we'd go young gun hunting today, and always lots of packs in these retail boxes too, so...
Yeah, we're getting 6 young guns here on average, so that's pretty exciting.
Ooh, this is a sharp one. Oh yeah, there's no seal on this one, I guess, because it's a retail. Alright, well, as per usual.
Yep, let's go one for one.
Lefty righty.
Yep.
Alright. Loads of packs in this. Holy crap.
Yep, so we'll just zip through this.
We'll just zip through all the base here. Young gun already. And...
Oh,
yes!
Boom.
Yes.
First pack.
Perfect.
Shabbat. Amazing.
Nice. Now we can
match them up with his
Now we
buddy
can each have one for our PCs.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Well, sweet.
Oh yeah.
There's one you're gonna hit. Faux show.
Take it.
Nice. Jeez, what a good opening pack. Just goes to show that some of the better packs are right on the top, eh?
Mm-hmm. All right. Gianta, Emmeline, Domi, and another Young Guns of Miles Wood. You go over there. All right. Parento, Barchi, Radulov, and Jonathan Marchessault.
Okay. Young gun for young gun.
Love the value on retail boxes for young guns.
Yeah.
They're definitely better than a hobby if you're just going for young guns.
For sure.
Oh,
Nick
rookie.
Schmaltz.
Schmaltzy.
Rookie portraits. All right. Good opportunity to fill up more of our young gun set from this series anyways.
Mm-hmm. And base set.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Colin Wilson, Kevin Shattenkirk, Michael Granlund, and another rookies UV portrait
nice.
Of Thomas Chabot.
Nice.
This is a Chabot box. And there's some more base.
Nice. Retail boxes, any opportunity at any other really unique inserts in these, or not really?
You can get jersey card, you can get...
Yeah. I was wondering if this series had any of those clear-cut acetate ones from.
Clear cuts are...
Oh, what's this? Drake Caggiula.
Yeah.
Marquee rookie. Good old OPG.
Yeah. It's an OPG update. Drake Caggiula. I believe he's with the Blackhawks now. Correct me if I'm wrong. We got another OPG update, marquee rookie. This one's of Pavel Buchnevich. Going to the rookie pile.
Lots of rookie packs so far. Jack Eichel. Oh!
Jersey.
Rookie materials. Ryan Pulak. Just a blue jersey swatch. Nice. Drew Doughty. Vanderkeen. 24 packs, I guess, in this box.
Yeah, so that's why we're zipping through this. Matt Martin, Jason Demers. Oh, base pack.
First base pack.
First base pack.
All right, well. Shows if you buy retail loosies that at least you're most likely to get something mostly, yeah? So far, anyway. Oh, Young Gun.
Here.
Drake Kajula.
Jeez.
All right. Take that one.
3 down, 3 to go.
Wow.
All right. Oh, there's another Young Gun in here.
Oh, Aaron Dell.
Aaron Dell, Sharks.
Nice. Didn't realize this was his rookie year.
Yep.
Just to play in the backup role, but he does play. He's got pretty good numbers. Oh,
Canvas.
first UD canvas of Victor Rask. Wow, it took a while to get a canvas in this set, eh?
There's this box.
Yeah.
Yep. I feel a base pack here for some reason.
Let's see.
Oh, no.
Oh.
It is a canvas of a Robbie Fabry.
Nice. Oh, Jacob Chikrin, rookie card.
Yeah, that's
Retro
OPG.
Retro OPG. Nice card. Had some injury problems there early on.
Too bad.
Yeah.
His dad was a good player too.
The hype train was really rolling on him after the draft.
For sure. All right. Oh, there's another Mitch
Oh,
Marner.
nice.
All right, we'll take that one. This is a retro rookie card of Mitch Marner.
Nice.
OPG. That's good. Take it.
Take it. Preview of one to come, maybe?
Perhaps.
That'd be a really nice hit.
That'd be a sick hit. Uh-oh.
Oh, Matthew Tkachuk.
UD
Portrait
Portraits
Rookies. Put that one over with this Shabbat. Oops.
Just a quick reminder, if this is your first time finding our videos, don't forget to click that little subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Click the bell as well so you get those notifications when we have a new video posted. And for those of you that are already subscribed and tune in regularly, thank you for tuning back in. We appreciate it.
Sure, we're getting on our way already to our next giveaway milestone. So
300 subs.
300 subs.
Just broke 200. All right. There's another portraits of Jesse Puljujarvi. Rookie portraits.
Double hip surgery there in the off season. Oh, see?
We see it.
And Troy Stretcher. Stretcher?
Taking him off on a stretcher.
No kidding.
Tab's getting in the way now. Oh, another young gun.
Oh.
And it is Zane McIntyre.
Cool name. Zane McIntyre.
How many is that now? Is that 6?
Let's see. That was 2. Arundel makes 3. Shabbat and Miles Wood makes 5. Kajula 6.
All right.
Well.
That's it for young gun. I think many of you who follow box breaks, probably recognize the sequence there, that once that Shabbat hit, who else would show up in this box?
Oh, Matthew Barzal, Marquee Rookie.
Nice.
Nice. I was going to say both Young Gun packs were side by side in the box.
Yeah.
All of them.
All of them.
Maybe a little trick to buying retail Lucy's. Just pick those packs that are right next to each other. They haven't already been blown through.
Mm-hmm. There's another Drake Kajula.
Oh.
Marquee Rookie. OPG update.
The Drake Kajula box.
Drake Kajula box for sure.
Any Drake Kajula fans out there?
Don't know how many fans there might be. I think there's a lot of people that love just saying his name.
Oh, PK Subban, OPG insert.
Update.
Update.
Nashville Predators. Getting down to the bottom of this. Matthew Tkachuk, Marquee Rookies, OPG. Well, at least we're getting decent
rookies,
even
yeah.
in OPGs here.
Yeah, decent rookie class, right?
Yeah, that was amazing.
Oops.
Oh, Young Guns Canvas.
Yes!
Yes. Kasperi.
Nice
Kapanen,
hit.
Young Guns Canvas.
Nice hit.
Sweet hit.
Sweet hit. You can go with his buddy Willie over there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Big Willie style.
Good hit. He's going to be a really good player.
Yeah. I almost think he's going to be better than
Yeah.
Willie.
I was going to say.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
There we go. Last pack.
Nice. I'd rate this box pretty good, actually.
Yeah, I'd say this is a pretty good.
For the price point, too, that we got it for.
Yeah, it was on sale, too.
Yeah.
Base pack, I expect. Oh, no. Mika Zibanejad. Canvas card.
Nice.
Beautiful. And there we go. Well, there you have it. Let's do a quick recap there of what we pulled. So the biggest pulls here were probably that Kapanen, Young Guns Canvas, and the Shabbat for sure. The other Young Guns weren't really anything notable, and a jersey of who was that again?
Ryan Pulock. Yep.
All right. Well, guys, thank you for checking out our video today, and we'll see you on the next one. And don't forget,
Keep on busting.